Nevada Virtual Academy, good morning. One more problem for your proficiency exam training. Problem number 6, which equation best models line n? And I hope you can see that line n, right? We're dealing with a line that is vertical to the x-axis, and if you guys remember, this line will have an undefined slope, okay? And why? Let's review it before we're answering the question here. As you remember, slope is given to you by what? By rise over run. Okay, rise over run. Now, to find your rise here, you can just select any points on your graph, right? And as you can see, let's call them point A, point B, right? Point B will have the coordinates what? X is 8 and Y is 4. The other point A will have the coordinates X, same 8, Y will be 0, okay? And now to find your rise and your run, the rise will be the change in Y, right? Rise will be how high are you going up from A to B, and how many units are between A and B? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So your rise equals 4, positive 4 if you want. But what is your run? Your run is the difference between your x's, right? But your x is 8 and 8, so your run will be 0. And now if you have to plug them in, you will find out that your slope, right, your slope m will be positive 4 rise over run 0, which is impossible, right? And we call it undefined. However, this question is asking you to find which one of these 4 equations here, okay, is the one that gives the rule for your line n. Okay, line n, right? Is it x equal 8? Well, let's see. X equals 8. Well, every point that we've chosen and any other point on my line have indeed an x equal 8. What do you notice? Point A, x equal 8, point B, x equal 8, and any other point, if you go with the point C here, its x will also be 8, and obviously the y will be 7 because we choose the point right there. And I will say yes, F is the answer to this problem. G is not good because y has to be 8. As you can see, the point we've chosen, A and B, have different y's. X equals 8y, not good. Y equals x plus 8, not good. And I hope you understood why x equals 8 is the right answer to this problem. Okay, line n has an undefined slope, or has no slope, because there is no run is 0, and every x on that line will equal to 8, and that's why the equation of this line is just a simple x equals 8. This is it. Any questions?